Hi beautiful yogis, thank you for joining me today. Today we're doing a beautiful Kriya that will absolutely awaken your energy and give you positivity throughout today. So this is something that I do on a daily basis, and from time to time I like to switch it up as well. But today let's make this a new sequence that I have been enjoying lately. So let's start. First, we're gonna start with the spinal plexus, and we're gonna go into this really deep stretch and as slow as possible. Breathe in and come to the front, and also tuck your shoulders to the back as well as you move. Make sure that your belly is slightly inwards. And we're engaging our core, our spine, the back of the neck as well. This is really good exercise to do in the morning. And it's just opening you up from all the right places. And the main thing, of course, is to awaken the spine and make the spine warm, to make sure that energy moves freely within the spine. Breathe in and out. And you can start to pick up pace as we move along. Whatever is good for you today. Breathe in and out. Very good. Next, we're gonna put our hands to the front of us. Sorry, our legs. And now we breathe in, our hands come up, and when we breathe out, we come down with our torso and with our hands, and we're moving in this circular movements. Our hands are moving and we're incorporating the breath. So we breathe in, we breathe out, we breathe in, we breathe out. And again, this is not about the pace, this is about the stretching, the moving, the opening up. And this is about awakening the energy and just feeling good, enjoying this movement. And now, when you come down, stay here and do a breath of fire here. So this is the breath of fire through the nose, and make sure that your belly is pumping very powerfully here. We're giving our body this beautiful life nerve, is getting a beautiful stretch here. So give it your best efforts as energy starts to move freely from the legs to the torso and making this beautiful life force energy circle. Now breathe in and out. Very good. Bring your legs back to easy pose here. And now we're placing our hands to the sides, hands into Jian Mudra. Hands are into 90 degrees angles, and we're rotating ourselves. To the left, we breathe in. To the right, we breathe out. We're opening up our Anahata, our heart chakra here. Make sure to keep your navel slightly inwards. And just enjoy the process here. Go with the pace that is comfortable for you today. These movements that are making our spine flex into different positions, these movements are actually the best for our spine. So give it your best efforts as we're releasing stagnant energy, we're releasing toxins, and we're awakening the energetic system from the physical and energetic body, allowing us to the energy to move from the lower part of the body through the spine to all the way to the top of the head to our Sahasrara chakra, and projecting this positivity outwards to the world. Now breathe in. And breathe out. Stay here for a moment. Feel this elevation of the energy and this expansiveness in the heart chakra area here. Very good. Now we're moving on. We're placing the hands into this powerful V shape here, and we're doing another breath of fire here, and this time we're making it faster. So this V shape, it means we are putting our thumbs into our higher selves here. So we're really just opening ourselves up to this higher consciousness, to these higher realms and higher new best possible results that can be happening to us, and just project that energy upwards and be open to receive that energy as well. Now breathe in, thumbs are touching, and stretch out your hands. And breathe out. Hands coming down to touch the ground. And again, come into presence and witness these energies.